Hey guys, so right now I am in the forest. I'm on some trail, and this place is amazing. So far I've been like shooting flowers. I think it's called the buttercup flower. I've been getting some great shots. For some reason I've been drawn to coming to the forest, man. Look at this. This is amazing. I don't know the name of the trail I'm on. It was like a red marked trail, like red mark color on the trees, so I guess this is a red trail. This park, and this park is amazing. I didn't know Cromwell Valley Park had this much trails. I think they said it had like 8 trails, 8 miles of trails or something like that. That's a lot of trail, a lot of trail territory. And the forest just looks amazing. Like so much green out here, man. Look at this. So much green trees everywhere. I've been taking a long break from the forest, but I'm glad I'm in the forest now. I'm gonna actually stay out in the forest for the rest of the day. I have been doing a lot of macro photography, but I'm sure I'll see a lot of great things out here. I love the forest. This is how I got into nature and wild photography, by exploring the forest. I appreciate the green. But yeah guys, I will see you guys later, and I definitely look forward to getting more good pictures. Hey guys, so today I actually decided to explore more of the trails at Cromwell Valley Park. I still don't know the name of this trail, but I did enjoy the nice hike. I really enjoyed watching spring emerge each day as more green leaves are sprouting from the trees and bushes and stuff. So this specific trail actually led me to close to Loch Raven, it's like a large lake. And I saw a lot of birds of prey, vultures, bald eagles, all kind of stuff. So definitely will be exploring this trail even more just because of that. And it was just a nice hike. Just a nice hike in general. But yes, very beautiful. So at the beginning of my journey to Cromwell Valley Park, I walked around the creek and I saw a pile of rocks. I think maybe some kids or some adults just pile up some rocks along the creek. And this wasn't the first one I saw. There was like a few of them, a few rocks piled up just like this. But this one was perfect. The lighting was perfect. And I just had to take a shot of it. So I used my 100mm macro lens. I just adjusted the shutter speed and speed aperture and just shot it. I love the depth of field. Very very intense and very dramatic at the same time, but very beautiful. So here's a juvenile bald eagle. Now this wasn't the only one I photographed. I photographed quite a few of them, but this is probably one of the few great images I did this day because the lighting was not the best because it was cloudy outside. I'm hoping next time I come here the lighting will be better, but I've been checking the weather even next week, and so it'll be like it's gonna be like there's gonna be some rain in Maryland and Northeast, basically the whole East Coast. There's gonna be a lot of rain coming even next week, so my time will come. At least I know where to find the bald eagles because the lake is right there, like right towards the end of this park. There's like it's like a lake, like a dam. And I guess that's where these eagles catch the fish. So only time will tell, and I'm just gonna be more patient with it, you know. But I'm just glad I even found bald eagles, and I was fortunate enough to photograph them. So that's the main thing. While I was observing these bald eagles, they were actually flying nice and low. They were even like flying so low they were landing two nearby trees where I was just watching them from below. So they come to you real close, you know. You just it's all about timing and how often you go to this park, so you can increase your chance of getting that nice in-flight image that I want. So like I said, time will tell, and like I also said, I know where to find them, so I have nothing but time on my side. So you will see more bald eagles, and I will be hunting them down to get more pictures of them, especially the in-flight images. So here's a turkey vulture. This beauty flew nice and low. It actually flew right over my head, literally, as you can see in this image right here. It's not, like I said, cloud days are really, I have to call them the trying days of wildlife photography because they aren't the best. If I had like a professional camera, the lighting would be a lot better, and the subject would be a little more crisper as well. But like I said, I have what I have. I shot what I shot. So I had to mainly focus on the bird, and this is what I got. The reason I love this image is because I like how close it was. It may not be the sharpest one, but I just like how close the turkey was. It was white flying right over my head. So I just had to share that with you guys. So I have photographed these two lovebirds, the mourning doves. Yeah, they actually flew right towards me in my view, and it was like it was supposed to happen. I was just supposed to photograph them because they came at the right time as I was walking. I was actually trying to leave the park, and I had before I left, I had to get these pictures. So I like how intimate and intimate the two doves are with each other. They were actually giving each other kisses and stuff. It was really cool. So I captured all that. And this is my first time photographing mourning doves with this manual 500-meter lens. So I'm glad I captured this moment. So here's one of the doves, I guess, kissing the other dove on top of the forehead. I just had to capture that. It looks really cute. And it's a very intimate moment. I was just thinking about my wife and I, how we give each other kisses. So it's a reflection of that, and I just had to capture that. It's a very sentimental image here for me. But yeah, I was supposed to get it, and that's why I have it. So, and it was a nice, lovely, cloudy day, so that makes it even more special as well. But yeah, beautiful kisses and a nice bird photography day. So that's Cromwell Valley Park. You get pretty much everything. Hey guys, so thanks for tuning in to the JB Nature Walk. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I post every Thursday at 2 o'clock p.m. And I'll see you guys next week. Have a wonderful day.